Welcome to a new video. Here is RTX 3080 that has stopped displaying an image. Oh no, it looks like the PEX regulator is blown up. And PEX is shorted. This doesn't look good. I have desoldered the PEX regulator. Now I can measure the PEX voltage rail without the damaged IC. The multimeter shows resistance of 4.3 ohms. Luckily, the GPU is fine. The PCB pads have been prepared with fresh solder, and here is the new GS9216. I will always adjust the alignment of the IC before using hot air. The IC has been soldered properly. I have measured that now the short is gone. It is time to do voltage rail measurements. Let's turn on the power. Let's measure the voltage of PEX voltage rail. It is 0.95 volts. It is perfectly good now. Here is the old blown up IC with the crater in the middle. The graphics card has booted up and it is outputting video now. Here I am doing a quick match test to ensure it works properly. And it has passed the test. The GPU is fixed. Leave a like and comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.